Hi, I'm Travis, your official Blizzard review guy and basement hero, and welcome to the last product review for 2015. That's right, this will be the last Blizzard product review for the year, but don't worry, because there's lots more to come in 2016 as Blizzard continues to roll out awesome new gear. Be sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new lighting products next year. So, what do we have today? This little guy sitting here in front of me is the Laser Blade G. Did I say laser? Why, yes I did. But it looks like a moving head. Why, yes it is. The Laser Blade G is a moving head fat beam laser, sure to please your crowds. A little about the laser itself. It's a 50 milliwatt green laser with a safety rating of class 3R, which means it won't burn your skin, but don't stare into the laser beam. To help the laser do cool stuff, it has a 15K PPS galvo scanner. If you're like me, you're thinking, what the heck is that? Let me Google that for you. Oh, galvos are computer-controlled electromagnetic devices that move mirrors mounted on the end of the rotary shafts. The mirror reflects the laser beam to draw images. Galvo scanners are typically identified by their speed of operation, measured in kpps. And the Laser Blade G's galvo scanner is 15,000 points per second. Built in, this laser has 133 geometric figures, 14 animations, and 76 types of beam patterns. You can also do 2-in-1 frame projections, which means you can project 2 figures at the same time. The laser figures can be individually positioned, rotated, and zoomed. The fixture can be operated in standalone or manual mode, auto mode, sound active mode, or controlled via DMX. When controlling the Laser Blade G by DMX, it uses 18 channels to control features like pan and tilt, zoom, rotation, drawing, billowing, speed, and figure or animation selection. Let's take a look at the Laser Blade G's physical features. It's a small moving head fixture that makes it easy to incorporate into any lighting setup and weighs just under 7 pounds. The front panel contains a 4-button display which gives access to the boatload of laser features, a mic for sound active mode, and a sensitivity knob to go with it. The back panel has an on-off switch, 3-pin DMX in and out, and a locking power connector. On the bottom, there are 4 rubber feet for sturdy upright placement and a spot to attach the included mounting hardware for mounting onto your lighting truss system. Okay, now I'll be plugging these in and checking out all these great features. I found that trying to access all the features with the front panel display was a bit cumbersome and much easier with the DMX controller. So for this demo, I'll be controlling the fixtures with Lucid, Blizzard's lighting control software. All right, let's check them out. The Laser Blade G, like most Blizzard products, is backed by a 2-year warranty. This small, lightweight moving head laser is sure to please crowds at your show. It's great for bands, DJs, clubs, and bars. Thanks again for watching my Blizzard review videos this year. As I look back on the year, I'm so lucky to have gotten the chance to do this. It has been really fun and exciting to check out and show you guys the latest products from Blizzard. Hopefully you've enjoyed my videos this year because Blizzard has decided to keep me on as the basement hero for 2016. So if you haven't already, click right here to subscribe so you don't miss any exciting moments and new products from Blizzard next year. I'm really excited to see what Blizzard will bring us in 2016. And of course, I'm looking forward to posting more of these product review videos. Of course, this all wouldn't be possible without thanking a long list of people. Oh, that was a short list, I guess. But most importantly, I thank you for watching. As always, click the thumbs up if you like this video, thumbs down if you thought it sucked, and leave questions in the comments. That's a wrap on 2015. I'm Travis, your Blizzard basement hero. See you next year.